Hello, I'm Thinev. There are two types of crows living in Sri Lanka. One is the house crow and the other one is the one I'm doing today. The large-billed crow. The large-billed crow, formerly referred to widely as the jungle crow. A large crow that varies in the size across its range. Note its relatively long, dagger-like bill with curved top. The range of this species is extensive and stretches from the northeastern Asian seaboard to Afghanistan and eastern Iran in the west, through South and Southeast Asia. Entirely black with a variable amount of glossiness. Primarily a scavenger that feeds on carrion, leftover food from humans and also food stolen from other birds. Often gangs up to attack and chase other birds, especially raptors. Their calls are like locally named Kalu Kaputa. I have seen the large-billed crow many times. Many people are confused over how to recognize large-billed crow. Most people look for the larger bill. Well, there are very easy ways to find them out. One is to look at the shoulder. It should be black, not grey. Or any crow that you see inland of Sri Lanka is likely to be a large-billed crow.